pastor, syempre, and to be a leader in a church, is to persevere through life. Pero first, ano ang meaning ng perseverance? Perseverance is continuing in a course of action despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. And to persevere, may tatlong points or character traits na kailangan ng Kristiyano para mag-persevere. And number one is long-suffering. Long-suffering is the quality of self-restraint or self-control in the face of provocation or in troublesome
Not remove,
matters.
uninstall.
So, yung verse na nakuha ko dito is
Do it
Proverbs
again.
16:32. He that is slow to anger is better than the mighty,
Not
and he
remove.
that ruleth his spirit
Uninstall,
than
I said.
he that taketh a city. So
Uninstall.
dito yung pagsabi is, whoever is long-suffering kasi is patience. Being patient sa magiging patient ka sa mga problema na huwag ka maging mabilis
Mahirapan din siya kasi
na mabilis na
dapat
na
nag-English na lang.
dapat ka palaging
English
think of your choices muna and before you make them.
English.
And
Oh, hindi yan
also,
tuloy masabi.
being slow to anger, syempre, can save our life din as well. Can save us from sin. And syempre, through God's guidance na patient talaga tayo sa buhay natin. And number two is trust. Kanina tayo magka-trust, syempre, kay God. In Proverbs 3, verse 5 to 6, it says, "Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy paths." So dito talaga nagsasabi na God will always guide us, and sa lahat ng mga choices natin sa buhay, na huwag tayong palaging mag-trust sa atin. Dapat yung trust natin palagi na kay God. Kasi nothing is impossible with God. Like tayong as mga tao, as mga creation niya, syempre we have limits na everything is always not possible. But with God, there's nothing possible with God. And in number 3, syempre, is thanksgiving. In Psalms 107 verse 1 says, "Oh, give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good, for His mercy endureth forever." And our true works, and lagi ditong sa message na to, is our works will always bear fruit. Like yung works ni Pastor, at the end of the day, there's gonna be some people na masasave and some unbelievers na magbibelieve kay God. And that's always a win para sa atin natin. At least isang soul na masasave. Yun na talaga yung
Hirap siya.
good
Hirap siya
na
mag-Tagalog.
fruit na mag-bear natin. And
Dapat English na lang
in
yung ginawa niya
Galatians chapter 6 verse 9, "Let us not be weary in well-doing, for in due season we shall reap if we faint not." For our closing na, is the main verse for this preaching is Philippians 4:13. "I can do all things through Christ who strengtheneth me." The heart of Philippians 4:13 is about the strength and perseverance that comes from a relationship with Christ, enabling us to face any circumstances in life. Siyempre, hindi lahat ng magagawa ni Pastor without God. Kaya palagi tayo magiging thankful with the 3 character traits na binanggit ko. Thank you.
Wow! Thank you, Mark.